Little storyteller.
Lily had a bright blue laundry basket. It usually sat quietly in the corner of her sunny yellow bedroom. But sometimes it would wiggle and wobble. Inside the basket lived a friendly, invisible helper, whose job was to sort socks. This helper really liked socks, to have their matching partners. One morning, Lily tossed in a pile of clean, fluffy laundry. The invisible helper peeked out. It was a little round ball of sparkly light with big, happy eyes. It loved the smell of clean clothes. But then it saw something that made it wiggle with worry. There were lots of socks, but many were all alone. A red sock with white stripes lay next to a blue sock with yellow stars. Oh dear, the little light zoomed around the laundry basket. It nudged a fuzzy green sock. Then it zipped over to a fuzzy green sock, just like it. It wiggled them together. The socks seemed happy to be a pair again. The laundry basket gave a little happy jiggle. Lily's playful puppy Patches, with his soft brown fur and floppy ears, bounced into the room. He saw the wobbly laundry basket and tilted his head. He watched as the basket gave another little shake. Patches barked happily, thinking it was a game. The little light inside was still busy. It found a long purple sock with stripes. It looked and looked, but it couldn't find its partner. The laundry basket wiggled a little more. A bit sadly. The little light didn't like seeing a sock all by itself. Lily came over and saw the wobbly basket. She giggled. "Oh, you're trying to match the socks, aren't you?" she said to the basket. She reached in and saw the lonely purple sock. Where could its friend be? Lily looked around her room. She spotted something peeking out from under her bed. Another long purple sock with stripes. "Aha!" she said happily. She picked it up and put it in the basket with its partner. The little light zipped around the two purple socks, happy to see them together. The laundry basket gave a big happy wiggle, and then was still. All the socks had their partners. Lily smiled. "You're a very helpful laundry basket," she said. Lily learned something that day. Just like socks, like to have a partner. It's nice when we help our friends and family find what they need too. Helping others can make everyone happy, just like the matched socks in the laundry basket.
Please subscribe. Thank you.